This is It Came Upon a Midnight Clear in the Key of C by Edmund Sears. I hope you love this Christmas classic. So I'm going to teach it to you in the key of C. It's a little bit more complex. Sometimes carols have a lot of crazy chords in them, so I've kind of stripped it down to some basics for you. So I also want to say that this is probably not the easiest one. So I have a whole playlist of Christmas songs, so make sure to check out some easier ones. But I believe in you. You can do this one. Okay, so let's take a look at the chords. We have C, F, G, A minor, and then they threw in a D. I believe that's all the craziness they threw in, but sometimes they like to throw in that extra chord, and it throws us off a little bit. But here we go. C chord, C, E, G. Okay, play those together. It's a C chord. Then we have an F chord, F, A, C. Play those together. There we go. F chord. Move up one note. G chord. G, B, D. Move up one note again, and we have an A minor. A, C, E. Okay. Then our D chord is going to be thumb on D, F sharp, A. Okay. It makes up this triangle shape. So if you imagine that being a shape of a triangle, it's not as crazy of a complex chord, okay? D, F sharp, A. All right, so left hand is just going to play single notes. So we're going to put pinky on C, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move this hand the whole song. So we're going to play C chord with our C note, D chord with our D note, F with F in the bass, G, G in the bass, and A minor. All we're going to do is play A minor in our right hand, and we're going to move open our thumb to this A position here, A note, okay? All right, so I'm going to just sing through a little bit of verse 1 so you can see how the two hands come together with vocals, okay? And I'm going to do kind of a block chording where we're just going to go bum, bum, dun, 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 dun. Okay, so you might see this extra like together right, but a lot of the times you're just gonna see down, 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 bum, 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 down, 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 down. I just noticed a pattern. Okay, here we go. The last chord of the sentence of like your first line is going to be where it kind of has that extra bum, bum, bum. Okay, so let's just sing it together. Here we go. It came upon a midnight clear. See that extra one there? The glorious song of old. Extra. From angels bending near the earth to touch the harps of gold. Extra, okay? Oh, here we go. Here's that E chord that I forgot to show you. So we also have an E major, which is E, G sharp, B, okay, with E in the bass. It's also a triangle. So E, G sharp, B. Remember our D is a triangle. Hold that shape on the E position, and there you go, okay? All right, so peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. Extra chord there. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. Extra, okay? So with carols, you're often going to see a lot of repetition. So the whole verse 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the same. So there's just a lot of repetition. So once you learn the first one, you know all 4. All right. So I'm just going to do that block chording. And then that last chord of every sentence is going to have the together right. Okay. It came upon a midnight clear. Okay, now we're going to do F, D, G. The glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of Okay, here comes that tricky E chord. Peace on the earth, good A minor to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. Extra chord. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Try to notice those patterns, verse 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the same thing. Just go slow, remove the left hand if that's a little too complicated. Just play the right hand by itself. The midnight clear, the glorious song of old. Okay, and then when you get comfortable, add in the left hand. Here we go. It came upon a midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. Still through the cloven skies they come, with peaceful wings unfurled, and still their heavenly music floats over all the weary world. Above its sad and lowly plains they bend on hovering wing, and ere o'er its babble sounds the blessed angels sing. O ye beneath life's crushing load, whose forms are bending low, who toil along the climbing way with painful steps and slow, look now, for glad and golden hours come swiftly on the wing. Oh, rest beside the weary road and hear the angels sing. For lo, the days are hastening on, by prophets seen of old, when with the ever-circling years shall come the time foretold, when peace shall cover all the earth, its ancient splendors fling, and the wholer world send back the song which now the angels sing. Above its sad and lowly plains they bend on hovering wing, and ere o'er its babble sounds the blessed angels